Welcome back to our FlowShare video series. Today we will take a closer look at the design settings in FlowShare Professional. When you open the FlowShare settings, you will automatically see the design options. The first thing we will do is customize the color of our arrow. To reflect our corporate design, we choose the color tone of our FlowShare logo. Tip for professionals: you can set the transparency of the arrow using the alpha channel. A value of 0 means 100% transparency, and a value of 255 means complete opacity. Next, we'll specify a different shape for our arrow. In addition to a selection of markups, you also have the option to add your own markup as an SVG or PNG file. To have your logo always present on your exports, you can easily deposit it as PNG or JPEG. Your accent colors for the design of the template and the text can be transferred automatically from the logo after you have deposited it, but you can also set them individually. Last but not least, you can set your desired font for the text descriptions and headings. As you can see in our export, all our selected design settings have been applied. We have a new and slightly transparent arrow shape, and also our logo and fonts are shown in our documentation. You can export a settings file via the Import/Export tab in the FlowShare settings. This way you can provide your defined design to your entire team, so that each team member can document according to your corporate identity. For more details, click on the link in the video description and feel free to subscribe to our channel to never miss another video. See you next time.